Welcome back to Module 3 of this course on the Windows 8.1 User Readiness Toolkit. We're getting you guys ready to be able to deliver this toolkit to your end users. In this module, we're going to have a look at the user tip sheet that's available as part of the kit. And I kind of like this statement here, Alicia, that the toolkit that this part of the toolkit will get people up and running on the basics of Windows 8.1 inside of 10 minutes.
Yes, exactly. The one-pager user tip sheet is really the thing that you can hand to your end user on day one of Windows 8.1 deployment. So saying that, okay, your user is going to get a new Windows 8.1 tablets or new devices, and on day one, when you hand the device to your users, this is the one-pager that you can print out, easily print out, and then just hand that to your end user. And so on this one-pager, the information is really the thing that they need to just use quick 10 minutes, and then they will feel comfortable of get going. So the information that we contain here is that, okay, meet your start screen. And the beauty of it is that we understand that some people are using touch screens, while others are still using a non-touch devices. So that's why we bring both touch and mouse gestures in the one-pager. And also sometimes we include the keyboard shortcuts in the one-pager as well. So the basic four information that they need to know is meet your start screen. How do you tab or click the app tile to go to the app, to open the app that you want to open. We talk about how do you access your apps, which is swipe up from your start screen, and then you can sort different apps from that view. And also, we talk about the 5 charms: search, share, star, devices, and settings. And how do you swipe in from the right to get your charms, or using your mouse, how do you do that functionality? And last but not least is how do you get to your desktop in just one simple click. So, and at the bottom of the one-pager, we also have a QR code, which when the user scan, it will take them to a quick guide of Windows 8.1. It's 16 pages of brochures, and then people can just read of that to get the information that they want. So this is really the one-pager that on day one you can hand to your end users, and then just have them read through that, and then they should feel pretty comfortable of using their new operation system.
And one of the cool things, again, this kit is designed for you to be able to take the content, reuse it, customize it inside of your organization. The kit isn't just a PDF of the page that we just showed you there. It's actually a PDF that you can work with, that you can customize. It's also an Adobe InDesign format document as well, so that again you can get some graphic artists to change that for you. We also have the document exactly in a JPEG format as well. So again, nice and easy for you to be able to use exactly as you might need to inside of your organization. This is the kind of content that I used to produce much lower quality versions of back when I was actually managing IT organizations and delivering this stuff to people. We'd always print this out as a little kind of A4 piece of paper, just giving them a few little bits of information on how to use their new machine. Normally that'd include some login details as well, kind of customizations you might want to make to this tip sheet. That brings us to the end of this particular module, and you've now seen what that tip sheet is, what the documents are, and how you can take that format to be able to go and customize them. In the next module, we're going to have a look at the next set of components inside of the toolkit, so please come back and take a look.